been here. First time I see it. You can see it as well. It's beautiful. Everything is alive. Beautiful color. This air and everything. Wow. Wow. Do you remember Eckhart Tolle talking about this now? I am in now. Now. Everything looks different. Everything is like wow. Everything is wow. Wow. There is life happening everywhere. When you look at one leaf, there will be some small spider or small bug living their lives, you know. They just having a tea or something like that, and they will go sleep later on and wake up next day. And then on every leaf is life happening everywhere. And check how many of those trees is here and leaves. Wow, this planet is full of everything. Full of everything. Wow. Only the thing is to notice that, because what everybody is looking for is here already. You can't find it. You just need to see it. And only to see it. I won't be telling you what to do, what to see it. To see it, everybody is doing that. Just enjoying this now, and I hope you can get a little bit of it. Maybe everything. Who knows? Wow, beautiful. And those birds. We're hunting for birds. Let's go. Wow. I can't express it how beautiful everything looks. Wow. If you can go to nature, there is magic there. Wow. Check this tree, how it looks like. Wow. You can see it on this thing here. Those shapes. And as far as I understand it, but it's very difficult to understand it with mind. Actually, it's not possible. We are all one with the nature. we're one thing. Just this manifestation looks like we are different. But I am Mariusz, and this is plant called, insert the name. But this one more. And we are actually one. So when this reality will disappear, we will see it. That's gonna be awesome experience. Everything, so far what I found out, that everything that I kind of discover, something new in this positive sense, is blowing my mind every time. And the next thing that I discover, it blows my mind again completely. It's not like some minor things, it's some major things. Creative energy is undescribable. And the work as well. It looks like there is some small river here. It's the first time that I am in this place here. Never been here, but it's beautiful. Wow. And there is some water down there. Nice, nice. Hey, oh, someone is in the trees, man. Trying to go through. One side to another, but it might be difficult. I'm not going there. I'm going through here. I can do it, I think. Wow. Hey, small challenge. Not easy, huh? You're gonna do it. It was an easy thing. Wow. But I am still in now. I'm still looking like a different world. Everything looks different. It's like everything is full of colors and aliveness. It has different smells. Every few steps, it has a different. There is a part of it is already different. There's some different. Oh, right now. I was missing all of it for most of my life. Can you imagine? And now everything looks so awesome that I had to make a video on YouTube. Wow. Nice. Check this one out. Probably pigeons. I've noticed that when they sing, those birds, sometimes those songs are very, very complex, and they can repeat the song again if they want to. It's something amazing. I've noticed that in my backyard a few days ago. The amount of colors is huge. Wow. And the compositions of those colors, those patterns and structures. It's beautiful. Nature is doing great job, man. Great job. Great. I know that for someone who is still running in normal life, it's probably very weird. But this is the other side of life. There is one as well. Very different. There is no another view like that. It's unique for this place and for this time. Paradox, isn't it? If there is no time. Nice. And stream flows no matter what happens. Always the same. I remember a few days ago I was staying next to in the same park like today. I was staying next to a plant and watching it for longer because there was a lot of things happening on it. There was a lot of insects, living their lives on it and doing different things. And I was watching those insects, and I've got the impression that when they've noticed that I'm not doing anything, because I was staying there for like half an hour, they stopped paying attention to me, and they were just doing whatever they were doing and flying close to my head and everything, like they just didn't care about me, just doing stuff. And I've got the impression as well that some of them were coming there to see me, just to watch me for some time. Because they were coming back and sitting close, and flying away, and coming back and sitting close again. It was like, and watching me. It was like one butterfly. sad with the beautiful colors as well. And he was sitting on one leaf, and he was just sitting and moving wings once a while, and just doing nothing, enjoying. And he was sitting like that maybe for 5-10 minutes. I was staying and watching as well, and we were both enjoying the moment. Because those animals, they live in now as well, probably all the time. Only we are crazy. They're just living their lives and enjoying this experience. So they were coming, and this butterfly sat there and was just sitting for 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes. Another butterfly was passing by, and this first one joined the second one, and there was another one, and another one, another one. It was the whole swarm of butterflies. And one of them left the group and came back on the next leaf to sit, and another one followed. And there was always something happening on this on this plant. When I look deeper, I've noticed life on like kind of smaller level, like a fractal. That there was some small bugs there, like a very small spider sitting beneath the leaf. And he was doing nothing, just sitting. And there was like a piece of the spider net done, just a few strings. And I was thinking, why he doesn't do another one, like the rest of the job. And I was thinking, he doesn't probably see that from the same perspective like me, from the perspective of time. There was a time to do rest of this net as well. There was a time to eat. There was a time to sleep, or everything. Everything is organized beautifully. We're just supposed to stop tampering with this, We don't need anything. We've got everything already. Take this tree. Quite high. Very nice. But I've noticed already that there is no way to change this world. Actually, it's changing already, but there is no other way than when people realize this thing, when they get conscience. And I see it happening. There's a lot of even young people right now. I'm just finding out another one, and another one, and another one. And every single one is talking from the different perspective, but the same thing basically. And it's so many of those people. It's very, very positively happening as well. Gives me a lot of joy. It's very nice to see positive change, Because I don't know. Because I was living in like a different human even a few years ago, and like I was thinking if 20 or 30 years ago, if this all was happening, only I see it right now because I changed, or it wasn't really happening. But I hear people talking older than me that it escalates and speeds up very quickly, especially last few years. So it is different. Very nice, very nice.